imagine being a manager coming in for a 7 a.m. line start. If you are waiting even an hour to learn who is going to be there and who is not going to be there that day, you cannot efficiently plan a production line in that time. When you lose even one or two people that are trained to one specific part of an efficient process and you don't know that, you see production lag times, you see downage. That does not look or feel good as a manager with really specific numbers to keep up in that area. Regardless of whether you're running a production line, if that data is available to you quickly, you can respond to that. That might be then a quick message out saying, hey, we have a coverage gap on our morning shift. Who can come in? You're able to respond to that. You're able to plan. And again, as a manager, that trust and visibility is so important for team culture. When employees know that you as a manager have their important attendance information held secure and that you are tracking that, they are going to trust leadership more and more over time.